Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by inspecting the stainless steel exhaust carefully for dents and corrosion. Wear nitrile gloves and a respirator before touching the exhaust surface. Park on level ground and secure the vehicle on jack stands at 18 inches. Remove the pipe if possible to work comfortably. This reduces heat and risk. Clean with a marine-grade degreaser and warm water until the surface is free of oil and road grime. Rinse thoroughly and dry with lint-free towels. Tape off adjacent paint and sensors to prevent damage. Begin sanding stubborn discoloration and surface rust starting with 400 grit sandpaper. Move to 800 grit and finish with 1200 grit for a smooth, even base. Always sand along the metal grain using even strokes for 3 to 5 passes per section. Use wet sanding with water to avoid overheating and to remove abrasive buildup. For pitted areas, use a rotary tool with a 3M flap disc at low speed to blend edges. Clean away residue between grits to inspect progress clearly. After sanding, apply a stainless steel metal polish with a microfiber pad in circular motions. Work one section at a time and polish for about 2 minutes per section until a consistent shine appears. Use a 3M Scotch-Brite finishing pad for final uniformity and wipe clean with alcohol. Seal with a high-temperature clear coat rated to 1200 degrees F to protect the finish from heat and oxidation. Reinstall the exhaust. Torque clamps to manufacturer specs, then check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.